71 responding, code 2, Lieutenant.
Code 71, code 2, Lieutenant.
Responding, crew 1.
1244, crew 1.
1203 to TRICOM.
Go ahead, sir.
Advise Norfolk Southern, we're going to be working a structure fire next to their railroad tracks on the Oringo.
Police on scene, I have IC. Got about a quarter involvement on a residential structure.
12-8 on scene. Sir, advise if you need to shut down the railroad. We will advise them, just advise we also need to shut them down.
I'm clear. Charlie, you want command or ops?
I'll take ops.
1203 TRICOM. I'll have Main Street command.
1203 will be in command. 1208 ops.
1203, we got gas cans across the street, by the way.
Nah, I'm clear.
Where's the hydrant?
Hydrant's going to be 5427 5427. It's going to be right in front of that business. You can just advise on the actual address, and I can advise you better.
44, catch the hydrant.
1244, hit the hydrant.
1211's responding.
1211, responding.
44, find us a hydrant.
I'm on one right now.
44, we get on scene, I need you to stretch the line. D side to the rear.
Clear.
Leave room for 44.
Main Street command to TRICOM. I'm going to need this power board here as soon as possible.
They are clear en route.
Command ops, you going to bring a line this way?
Responding.
2897, responding.
To command, you've got a train coming your way.
Command 2897, advise you got a train coming your way. We're on the line with them now.
1254 responding, no crew, Lieutenant.
54, no crew, Lieutenant.
1296 responding, crew of 2 EMT.
Advise your unit.
1296.
Thank you, sir. Command, when you can advise you need EMS emergency or not.
This time they come non-emergency, we block by the railroad.
We just railroad line. Do you want to stop the train? What?
Give me more pressure on the blue.
Charge the hydrant.
1203.
Let the hose fill up. Slow the water down.
54 command, where you need me.
What's your crew, 54?
Just myself.
Come on up behind 44. If you can get this far and get back on Meet Smith at the front door.
But you get this cruiser out of the middle of the road, I could get down there. Command, you need my truck or just me?
Command 01.
1, go ahead.
If you want to take command.
Whoever's calling 01, you're not transmitting.
Hey, Chief, this is command. This is 03. If you want to take command, I'm still working.
Okay. I'll take command. 12-1, TRICOM, I'll have command.
Clear total 1 assuming command.
Ambulance PD or
54 on scene.
explode.
See you last unit.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. We had a smoke explosion. Give me an ambulance here now.
Mayday, mayday.
1211's on scene.
11 on scene. All units be advised you have a mayday. I've got EMS stepping up. Advise whatever you can.
Okay, command, TRICOM. We've got the person. He's outside the building. We still need a ambulance.
Clear, I've got them coming to you. Emergency actually should be there on scene making their way to you.
Okay, let them know they're coming to the east side of the building.
Be command, TRICOM, send me another unit to stand by.
Clear, sir.
1208 to the rear. Do not put any fire outside the structure. I'm sending the crew in. Only exterior fires.
Command ops, you have an addition on the back that's burning.
Well, wait, command, go ahead.
Okay, you've got a addition on the back that's on fire. It's trying to work its way in.
Okay, I got a crew going to the east side, 3 people. Just had their rear side, just keep fire, not down the outside of the structure. Correction, there's 4 people going in. This time we still got heavy black smoke.
Communications command, one-way traffic, medic 3 is going to be your secondary unit. Correction, medic 7 is going to be your secondary unit. Also, do we need to do a accountability, sir?
I just did the people in the structure. No, not this time. 1208 to the rear. Do you got everybody? 1206 responding. Or
Last unit responding.
1206.
1206. Communications command, do you guys have accountability of all firefighters?
Main Street Command, TRICOM, we'll do our own accountability.
Okay.
Yes, area 71. We need pressure on the green line now. Just got pressure. Oscar, command, can you check who else we got coming?
Command, TRICOM, what other units do you have coming?
The only units I'm showing is 2897, 1296, unless they're on scene. Also, you have 1206 as well. Also, communications command, this is your first time-lapse notification,
clear on the time lapse.
1206 on scene.
Operations interior up the headway.
That's fine.
Repeat that.
That's correct. We're making headway.
You found any fire?
1211 in command.
11.
1211 in command.
Go ahead.
Just 2.5 off the back. I'm clear there's a line on the inside.
Okay, we need the line on the back to take care of this corner.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to lob it over to you.